I've been working through the midnight hours, watching years go rolling by. Some nights I wondered where I'm going. Some nights I had to ask myself why. But every morning brings a new beginning, and there's still a fire inside. I've come too far to stop believing my dream is still alive. My dream is still alive, even after all these years. Through the lonely nights and hard times, through the struggles and the tears, I may not be where I wanted, but I'm thankful I've survived. As long as my heart keeps beating, my dream is still alive. I left an island in the ocean and built a life so far away. Carried memories of my family and the lessons that still guide me every day. I've made mistakes along the journey, I've fallen more than once or twice, but every time this world knocked me down, I found the strength to rise. My dream is still alive, even after all these years. Through the lonely nights and hard times, through the struggles and the tears, I may not be where I wanted, but I'm thankful I've survived. As long as my heart keeps beating, my dream is still alive. Maybe my road took a little longer, maybe my time is coming late, but I believe there's still a purpose, and I'm not giving up today. There's another chapter waiting, there's another mountain I can climb. The story isn't over yet, I've still got time. My dream is still alive, and I'm gonna give it everything. I'll keep walking toward tomorrow, no matter what tomorrow story isn't over yet. My dream